Fog is created by moist and oversaturated air. The largest raindrops ever recorded by humans had a diameter of 9 millimeters. By the time a solar ray reaches Earth, it has traveled a distance of almost 149 million kilometers. Nothing is quite as fascinating as nature, and nothing is more fascinating than breaching the barrier between nature and the indoors, making them one. To make this a reality in a building, we combine our passion for nature with technology to create sliding systems with limitless design options for every climate. That you can use more easily than a car door, or which can't even be recognized as a sliding unit from outside. Discover how, through technology and engineering, a room becomes one with nature, with sliding systems from Schüco. More than a view.